What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the vlog and welcome back to another video. Today we are installing the Blackview dash cam on the F87 M2. Alright, so I actually have this Blackview dash cam that I had on my F30. I also have one installed on the E90. This will be my third time installing a Blackview dash cam on a BMW. So I think I kind of know my way around it. I haven't really looked anything up on this car yet. I have a general idea of where the fuse box is and how I'm going to run everything, but let's get right into it. I'm going to show you everything that I have here, and then we'll just go step by step on how to install the 2-channel Blackview dash cam on the F87 M2. I'll let you guys know if I run into any hiccups along the way, but it should be relatively straightforward. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so we have a lot of stuff here, obviously. This is gonna be your front camera, this is gonna be your back camera. This is the power pack, the power battery pack that is going to run while the car is off. So while it's in parking mode, the dash cam continues to run, draining battery from this and not your car's battery. So you're not draining the actual battery power out of the car. Here are the cables. This is the cable that goes from the actual dash cam into the power pack. And then this cable right here is the cable that goes from the front dash cam into the back dash cam. So the back dash cam is actually powered by the front dash cam, and the front dash cam is actually powered by the battery pack or the car, however you want to put it. So we also have all of these little guys in here. You're gonna see a bunch of stuff in there. There's a bunch of little 3M clips to hide wires, adhere this to the window, and then they give you this guy, which is a trim tool. Super convenient. Make sure that you have this. Makes it a lot easier to tuck the wires and get everything ran properly. So I'm not really sure where I'm gonna mount all of this. This is the actual bracket that this whole piece goes into, and it is Velcro. I just have it stuck to the back of this because I took it off the F30. But we're gonna find a place for this. I'm thinking in the trunk, in the boot lid, underneath that back little cover in the trunk. I think that's where this is gonna end up living, but I'll figure that out once I actually start wiring stuff up. First and foremost, let's go ahead and put up the dash cam in the location that we want, and then let's start running some wires. So the first thing we're gonna do is mount the dash cam probably right there-ish, and then tuck the wires in there, all the way through this headline over here, across this little canal right here, all the way to the back. Then you're gonna have your back dash cam right there, and both of them are gonna run through the back seat, somewhere in that corner, I'll figure it out, into the rear trunk area where it's gonna be powered. So this should be actually really easy. I don't see it taking a long time at all. We probably do not need to take this off. You can if you want, it's very easy, it just snaps right apart. But I don't think we need to take it apart because there's always a big gap under these, and you could just tuck the wires right in there. But I think it's smart to always mount the dash cam first so you know how much slack you want out of the actual wiring. And I always mount the dash cam when I'm sitting in the driver's seat because that's the easiest way to tell if it's straight. So you can kind of put your head to the middle, figure out how you want it. That looks about right. A lot of people say that you should have it like this so it's dead center. This side just a little bit off center so the camera is actually set in the middle, but I don't know. I like it like that. I think it looks better. Get the adhesive exposed. Go ahead, peel that red off. Be careful when you guys do this because you really only have one shot. And I got it crooked once before and it was just a pain in the butt to replace it. So I just gently put it up there, kind of look at it. Yeah, that looks good. Front camera mounted like that. Cool. Now we're gonna run the cables coming from here, going across here, and then this little canal here, and then running all the way to the back for the back dash cam and then the actual power. All right, so the first cable we need is going to be let's run the power first. And it's nice because Blackview gives you a ton of slack with this stuff. Any of the stuff that we use in this video, you guys, is gonna be linked down in the description in case you're looking for it. So this is our power. You're gonna see DC in right here. So that's where that's gonna be going. And like I said before, there's a big gap, so you can really just slide that thing in. This guy, you're gonna take this, start tucking it in. See how easy it goes in there? Pump, 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 pump. All right, so now we got it up in the corner here. We're gonna start tucking it into the headliner, which is also very easy. It's got a huge gap. So you can literally just run it along there. And then you're gonna come over to this little canal right here. Same deal. Tuck it in there. Peel that guy back. Start running it along here. Whoa, look at how easy that is. So this is obviously, like I said, the power wire, power cable. Get that nice and tucked so you can't see it. And then you're gonna go in this same little canal right here. Tuck it around there. Probably should have just ran both of them at the same time, to be honest with you. So we have another wire coming back here for the back camera. But we're just gonna super easy back here. That just goes right in there. And then we'll go down here into this canal. It's gonna be a tight one. And then we're gonna go under this thing. Super easy. Hey, all right, man. Look at that. So ideally, I think, is that the flow? The perfect length, and that's right where the box is gonna be, so it's like literally the perfect length. Sick. So here we go. Power is now ran. We're gonna put the power pack somewhere in here. Anywhere really in the trunk is fine. We have a big compartment over here. I think we're gonna put it like right here though. That should be fine. So we'll do that. We don't need this open anymore. You can go ahead and close this. Cool. Wires tucked. All right, so now we're gonna take this other super duper long cable. This is gonna power the rear camera. So we're gonna be going from the front camera, running all the way around through here, through the back, and then rather than going down over here, we're gonna go up and across. Pop this one in like that, just like so. And then just start tucking, same method as before. Just tuck it back here, just like that, just like that. So I usually do them like this. You could do it like that and then spin it, but your footage will be upside down. So whatever you guys want to do, but your boy's gonna do it like this. Like so. And everyone has their own way of doing it, you guys. You can center the camera if you want, or center this. I just like it better like that. It's not too bad. A lot of excess cable. So what I like to do, take this, plug it in. We want to go into this. And then up into here. Get off all your nasty fingerprints. Clean it up. Sick. So there you go, wires coming out into the back. And it ran all the way across here. You can always see it a little bit right here, but whatever, dude. We're gonna see that. Super clean. Ran across here and here. This little power pack comes with a cigarette lighter. So if you guys do want to do this via cigarette lighter up front, you can. But I think it's better to just run it in the back. I think it looks cleaner. And this M2 has power, a little 12 volt right back here. How cool is that? Super convenient. I put the box back in this little compartment, and the reason that I decided to do that is because those boxes tend to get a little hot, and I just don't want to put it near the battery or the fuse boxes. I mean, the chances of something happening, slight to none, but I just don't want to take that chance. So I ran the cable, and you guys can do this a different way if you want to, whatever you want to do. Ran the cable back there through their normal way. And then I ran it underneath all this, and I just have this little part going into this compartment, into the Blackview, and then the other one that runs across going into there. Now, it's not like you're actually gonna see any of this cable because it's gonna get covered up by the back trunk tray. There probably is a cleaner way to do it, but this is gonna be fine for now. I could end up just ordering a hardwire kit and just going directly into the fuse box, but I think this is gonna be fine, you guys. I really don't see any issues with it. So yeah, that's how we're gonna roll with it for now. Very easy, as long as you're getting power. Everything's working, looks good. It's charging the actual power pack right now. So we are good. Let's go ahead and put the trunk tray in and I'll show you. So that is the finished product. I mean, this is definitely temporary. I'm not gonna continue running it like this because there's just too many cables showing for me, but in a pinch right now, we're good. Got the two running from there, one running from there. I think eventually what we'll do is we'll just mount it underneath somewhere in this back quarter area, and then I'll end up hardwiring it because I think that's just gonna be an easier solution. Cool, so it's running, everything is ran. That's really it, you guys. It's super simple. You just wanna make sure everything's as clean as you can possibly get it, and put it in both cameras, find your power source, and you're good. Also, to show you guys, if you're having any issues with the wires staying stuck behind the liners, you can clip them onto this and then use the 3M like on the windshield stuck in there, and it'll hold them in place. So that's what these are for. You're gonna get a bunch of them with the Blackview. Just in case you need them. I haven't really had to use them yet, but I have seen where some of the wires come loose and you can just use this to tuck them in. All right, so that is the 2-channel Blackview dash cam install. Really easy. Like I said, third time doing it. I'm gonna roll some footage right here from when I installed it in the F30 so you guys can see what it looks like. It's actually 4K footage, so it's really high resolution, front and back, and it also has audio, which is nice, so you can hear everything. If people are talking or an accident happens and someone says something, you can hear all of it. So it's really nice to have in your car. Just the reassurance alone, like every time I park my car and I know that that dash cam is running, something happens, it's caught on camera. And I'm telling you, it's really nice to have it in your car. If you guys are looking for one of these, there is a link down in the description directly to the product that I have in my car. There's also a discount code, save you a little bit of cash on the dash cam. And like I said before, there are a lot of different ways that you can install this dash cam. I'm definitely gonna be revisiting this and doing a hardwire install on this one because I don't really like having the cigarette lighter thing. There's too many wires showing. So I will revisit it and end up doing the hardwire just like I did on the E90. It's super clean, hidden. I like it better like that than having the actual wire showing going into a cigarette 12-volt outlet. All right, so that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, leave comments down below. Like this video, hit the bell notification, and just like that, this video is over and I am out. Peace.